Today, I'd like to introduce a one-day tour to Jeonju Hanok Village, where Korean tradition and modernity blend beautifully. The first stop is Jeonju Shrine, where the portrait of King Taejo, the founder of the Joseon dynasty, is enshrined.
Stroll along the bamboo-lined paths and feel the spirit of the Joseon royal family, and discover the story of the dynasty's founding at the Royal Portrait Museum. Next, you'll head to Jeondong Catholic Church.
Blending Romanesque and Byzantine styles, this historical site is a sacred place for Korean Catholicism and offers a perfect photo spot for timeless memories. Of course, a visit to Jeonju wouldn't be complete without tasting Jeonju bibimbap and a full-course Korean meal for lunch.
The variety of side dishes and rich flavors of traditional cuisine provide another highlight of your Jeonju tour. After your meal, enjoy wearing traditional hanbok or outfits from the Enlightenment period. As you stroll along Hanok Street in these beautiful clothes, you'll feel as if you've traveled back in time.
You can also experience making traditional Korean paper crafts and painting your own fan. In Jeonju Mural Village, step into a fairy tale world through colorful murals, and at Omokdae Observatory, take in a panoramic view of Hanok Village at a glance.
This Jeonju tour offers unique seasonal programs and special discounts, so you'll discover new charms no matter when you visit. Spend the perfect day on a Jeonju Hanok Village tour.